Crypto trading for a living, is it even possible or achievable? Today we are going to talk about this topic and let's break it down to the pros and cons. What are the possibility? Whether is it even achievable at the very first place? Without further ado, let's begin. A lot of people out there are looking for financial freedom, and of course crypto trading being one of the things that came across our mind when it comes to achieving financial freedom. But the question here is that, is it even possible or is it even achievable at the very first place? So now let's lay down the pros and cons and what does it take for us to become a full-time trader. This is going to be our Crypto Lab mission and also our absolute vision, I would say, our ultimate vision, right? To train a full-time trader in every family, up to 1,000 traders. So this is going to be our long-term vision. So hopefully it can be achieved very, very soon. So now let's break it down into a few different sections here of this discussion, where we are going to talk about the reality of crypto trading. Crypto trading can have this potential of bringing us very super high profits, which it doesn't make available in a lot of traditional investment schemes out there. So it brings us very, very high profits. And what are the other pros when you become a crypto trader full time? When you become a full-time trader, basically you are the own boss. You are not working for anyone. You are self-employed. So basically you are the own boss. So when you are the own boss, at the very same time, you are basically operating on a global market. So literally you can trade anywhere you want, anytime you want, because you are your own boss. When we talk about the pros, we need to talk about the cons as well. Now, because we are the own boss, our income isn't guaranteed. At one day, you might have been a very good profit on that day. On the next day, you might have liquidated the whole account. So because of the income not guaranteed, and also crypto trading is very, very volatile, it might have wiped up the whole wallet and liquidated everything on just overnight like that. But yeah, you have the pros, you have the cons. This is the norm of everything in life, right? Not only that, it might also create a very high stress. So you need to control your emotion at all times. So what do you need for you to trade full time? Number one, you will need a trading strategy. You will need a solid, back tested with data to help you make your decision, whether you will become a day trader, a swing trader, a scalper, and so on. So you will need one trading strategy for you to apply. Number two, you will need to have a very good risk management. You cannot afford to just throw everything in the sea when you might lose everything. So do not put all the eggs in one basket. You need to have a very solid risk management here if you plan to become a full-time trader. Number three, you need to display a consistent profit, at least I would say for the next 6 months. You need to have that. But of course, initially you might encounter some difficulties and challenges. You might have some drawdowns or losses here and there, but eventually, as long as you can go like 6 months of consistent profits, that means you are almost there. You are on the right track and you just need to maintain the consistency over there. You should be able to go above it. Number four, of course, to venture into any business, you need to have capital. The same goes to crypto trader as well. In order for you to trade, you will need to have capital for you to trade. So with that said, you need to have enough capital for you to start this business of ours. So when you come to trading, it is not about trading with the money of your life saving. It is not about trading with the only money or funds that you have. You need to have this capital for you to start as if you are starting a business. This capital is a bunch of money that you can afford to lose. And yeah, you need to cater for that. Last but not least, what do you need for you to become a full-time trader? You will need to have a strong mindset, because if you don't have that strong mindset, you won't be able to handle the stress that you are going to experience when it comes to trading with a drawdown, how you're going to control your emotions and all this stuff. So you need to have a strong mindset upon all of those that you need to have, all those qualities and also the features they need to have in order for you to become a full-time crypto trader. What are the common mistakes to avoid? Okay, I'm going to share with you 4 common mistakes that you should avoid if you plan to become a full-time trader. Number 1, do not FOMO into the market. Hype will kill everything. The news are planted for a purpose. They just want people to just get panic and sell the coin so that they can benefit from their end. All right, so do not FOMO. Number 2 is over trading. So do not try to put everything in first. Okay, start small, 1 or 2 trades at least is still manageable for you. So don't put too many trades at one time, because you need to get use of this volatility, especially when you have just started it. Do not overtrade. Number 3, ignoring the risk by not putting up your stop loss. Right? So make sure that you always have your stop loss in all of the trades. Do not ever forget about it. It's a very, very important bottom line or a pillow to save us from crashing down. And last but not least, no backup plan. Now, yeah, however beautiful that it might sound like, you still need to have a backup plan. What if full-time trading is not for you? What if crypto trading is not for you? So you need to have a backup plan at least for you to recover the losses that you might have experienced. Then you see, when you have experienced all these losses, right, it's not only you're losing money, you're losing quite a bit of stuff here. You're losing your time, you're losing your emotion here. Okay, because of your focus that you put in there, you might have gone to this, what we call it as the emotional distress state. So when you go to that state, yeah, you need to recover. And when you recover, you cannot trade. And when you can't trade, you need to have a backup plan. Bottom line is, to become a full-time crypto trader, is it even possible? Well, the answer here is yes, as long as you have the skill, the patience, and a good risk control, or we call it risk management here. A lot of newbie traders fail because they lack of discipline and consistency. So as long as you stick to plan, you should be able to do it. So what do you think, guys? Do you think that full-time crypto trading is something for you? Drop down in the comment section below and let me know whether are you looking forward to become a full-time crypto trader, because we are here to help you to become a successful full-time crypto trader. Right? Thank you very much for watching. Before we go, remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out anything important, and also sign up for your new BitUnix account, where I input it on the description area below, and send your user ID to my Telegram, where I'm going to add you to our community, where you can enjoy all the supports that you need and gain massively together with us. Again, thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video.